Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I did a dark smoky eye that has some glitter on it, and then for my lips I went for more of a neutral nude color lip because I feel like when you're wearing a dark eye it's always best to go with something light and neutral, so the more focus is more on your eye. So if you guys are interested in how I did this look, please continue watching and enjoy. So I'm going to start with my brows. I'm going to use my Goof Proof brow pencil, and then I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer to give my brows a nice carved look, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a brush. Taking my Subculture palette from Anastasia, I'm going to take the color Dawn and just apply it all over my eyelid. Next, on my outer corner and inner corner, I'm going to take the color Henna and Sandalwood from the Huda Beauty palette and just apply that and blend that out. And then from the Anastasia palette, I'm going to take the color Rowdy and just also apply it in the same areas I applied those two colors. I'm going to take the color Moondust from the Huda Beauty palette with my finger and just apply that in the middle. And then I'm going to take the color Henna and Cocoa, and I'm just going to blend all that out and apply in the ends and in the inner corner. In the middle of my eyelid, I'm going to take this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in the color Topaz Twinkle, and I'm just going to apply that in the middle to give it some shine. And then I'm going to take my Mera Luminizer highlighter and apply that on my brow bone, and I'm just going to clean the excess fallouts, and I'm going to apply my lashes, followed by my favorite L'Oreal eyeliner. Moving on to face, I'm going to use my Professional Primer, and then I'm going to take my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Latte and just apply the dots and then just blend it with a brush. For concealer, I'm going to take my Tarte concealer in light medium honey, apply it underneath my eyes and also on my forehead, and then I'm just going to blend that with a beauty blender. For contouring, I'm going to take the Fenty contour stick and the Anastasia contour stick in mink, and then I'm just going to give myself a nice chiseled look, like so. For baking, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty powder, which I love, in the color Banana, and then I'm just going to apply it on the areas where, as you can see. Then I'm going to take the colors Henna and Cocoa, and I'm going to apply it underneath my waterline. For my waterline, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier pencil. It's like a plum color, and just apply that. And then now I'm taking off the excess powder, and just on top of my contour where I did, I'm going to apply this Hoola bronzer and just apply it all over the place. Taking this NARS blush in Orgasm and just apply that on the cheekbones. And my favorite highlighter, Mera Luminizer, I'm going to just apply it on the areas as you can see. I love this highlighter. For lips, I'm taking this Demi Matte lipstick in the color Shrika from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to just apply that. And then I'm going to just apply the Better Than Sex mascara, and then that's my final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys do decide to recreate it, please don't forget to hashtag me at basicswithzaineb, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.